Yes, good evening, everyone. So, in the last class, deployment started discussion, version control system, remote hosting server, deployment platform. So, what is the need of version control system? We have to maintain multiple versions of the same project. Already uploaded in the Telegram NumPy notes. Check the Telegram. I uploaded NumPy notes. So, a need of version control system means we have to maintain the multiple versions of the same project to check the differences of coding and all the things. We go with the version control system. For that, Git is there. After that, GitHub is nothing but remote hosting platform. If you want to go to the live to the application deployment, compulsory the project should be available remote hosting platform. Then only deployment is easy. So here, last we discussed about this one version control system versus remote hosting platform versus deployment platforms. How to install the Git? I'm telling into the last class Saturday. Git is the source code management software tool. So how to work with this Git? Once you open this one, the software is available there. You can download this one. After that, install it. Today, that is I'm telling. Wait. So now, first thing, once I installed Git, this is the Git bash. It is available there. Okay. Now, first of all, whatever activities related to Git repository, related to Git repository. First, in your any directory, create one directory for our current project purpose. For example, this PC, D drive. I have to create one directory with the name my current working directory, my CWD. In this folder empty, no files, nothing will be there. ఏదో ఒక ఫైల్ కాపీ పేస్ట్ ఇట్ D drive. abc.txt file is there. Copy this. Go to the D drive. My current working directory empty. Paste it. Okay, file is there. How to add this file to the Git and how it is interacted commands I will tell. Then I will uploaded one project to pythonanywhere.com. So first of all, what I was doing is I created one folder, a directory named with what is the directory name? My current working directory. It is our current working directory. Okay, created. Second one. Once created my current working directory manually, inside one file is there abc.txt. We required one local repository. We required a local repository to track our files. For this, we have to use the command is git init. git init. So go to the git bash, okay? Your directory is available D drive. So go to the D drive, CD, my current working directory. It is pointing to the my current working directory. Inside, what is the command you have to use? Git init, initializing empty git repository to D my working directory. What is the folder name? Dot git, hidden folder. Go to there. ఇదిగోండి. One directory will be created there. That is called as our local repository to track the files. But by default, Git is not tracking your file. You have to add this file to the Git. Then only Git is watching to your file. If any updations are there, whatever can change the versions, all the things. .git folder will be created there. This command will create a folder named with .git, which acts as a local repository. So the by default files are not tracking by the Git. You have to add files to the staging area. Then only Git is watching your files. If any updations are there, everything. How to add means Git add. One way is the dot. Dot meant for within that current folder డైరెక్టరీస్ ఫోల్డర్స్ ఫైల్స్ ఆల్ విల్ బి యాడెడ్. కానీ అక్కడ నాకుంది ఓన్లీ ఒక టెక్స్ట్ ఫైలే కాబట్టి నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఏబిసి డాట్ టీఎక్స్టీ. అదే ఒక ఫోల్డర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అవర్ డిజంగో క్లాసెస్కి వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ అవర్ ఫోల్డర్ ఈజ్ 28th August. ఇందులో డిఫరెంట్ ఫోల్డర్స్ మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఫోల్డర్స్ ఫైల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. అట్ దట్ టైమ్ డాట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ థింగ్. బట్ ప్రజెంట్ వన్ ఫైల్ ఈస్ దేర్. గివ్ abc.txt git add abc. Now it will be added. Now git is tracking your file abc.txt file. So third one, by default git won't track the any files. We have to add files staging area. Such files only can be tracked by the git. By using two ways are there. Git add a particular file abc.txt. Git add dot. Dot means all the files present in current working directory. That is the third activity. Fourth one, we have to commit the changes in the files staging area. Then the files or changes will be moved to local repository. For that, git commit -m any message. So we have to go to the git bash, paste the command. Git commit -m first commit by the who is the developer, that name I can provided. Yes. File changer 24 instance created mode commit by Mahesh. You need to ask status. What is the status of the git? Branch master nothing to commit. Working tree is the clean. Git log. How many commits we done? It will be displayed. Date November 4th today. First commit by Mahesh. The basic operations. How to use this in the project, I will tell. Whatever major commands, these are all the commands we are using. We can find status of the files by using git status. If you want to see the log file related to our local repository, git log, we general commands. So the whatever commands are there, git init, it is to create and initialize the local repository, add files, to add files to staging area, git commit message, to commit changes so that changes will be stored in local repository. Git status, find the status, git log to see all commands. So like that, first in your local machine, whatever is available project or file, first you can goes to the Git. From there to I can upload to GitHub. From GitHub to pythonanywhere.com deployment. Away three terminologies: version control system, remote hosting platform, deployment platform. By using that abc.txt, no use that file. So I'm not uploaded this one. One project I will take our projects, any one of the project. So now, if I want to send this one, no use of those things, clear the screen. Go to the our working projects. You can take any one job project. Suppose Sunny jobs are there. Okay. Go to the back, CD, Django, CD, Sunny jobs, py, manage.py, run server. Whenever I'm using this IP address, it is open in the local machine. Yes, if Hyderabad jobs are available there. Same, this total project I want to upload to pythonanywhere.com. Then I will give the URL. Once you open this, everyone can able to see that one. That is the concept. This project Hyderabad jobs, sorry, Sunny jobs. This total thing I want to upload to pythonanywhere.com. దీనిలో ఇప్పుడు కలర్స్ ఏం వేయలేదేంటి మనం Okay, if colors, everything will be there. Automatically it is available, applicable, no problem. So that is the my concept. Now copy this one. Copy this folder. My current working directory on the kada. Open it and delete all the things. Only paste this project. So my current working directory only Sunny jobs folder is there. Previous one file is there. Ipudu folder inside multiple folders, all the templates, index HTML, all are available there. Database, everything. Okay, fine. Now steps to deploy. What I was doing is 4 things are available. First one already we done completed. Create one local repository with our project by using the Git. I will tell. Second, move this project to where remote repository. Remote repository means GitHub. Finally, you have to clone these two. What is the site? pythonanywhere.com. Heroku, Cloud, Amazon, anything your wish. Once GitHub build how to deployment, very simple. After that, do the required configuration. అంటే క్లౌడ్లో హ్యావ్ టు డూ అవర్ కన్ఫిగరేషన్స్ బికాస్ ఇన్ ద క్లౌడ్లో పైథాన్ వర్షన్ Django, which versions are there, which database is there, we don't know now. We have to create virtual environment in that deploy the project. ఇవి 4 steps. ఈ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఆల్రెడీ జస్ట్ నో క్రియేటెడ్ నా దీస్ స్టెప్స్ git init, add, commit, status, log. Then how to move to the remote repository. So first I created a new folder with my current working directory. Second engine, copy the any project. I copied Sunny Jobs project. My current working directory paste chesam. Now steps, go to git bash. First D drive working. Already we are in the same location only. సరే చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ ఆల్ వి డిలీటెడ్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ మై కరెంట్ వర్క్లో అన్ని జాబ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, గిట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దేర్. గో టు గిట్ బ్యాష్. ప్రజెంట్ వీఆర్ ఇన్ డి మై కరెంట్ వర్కింగ్ డైరెక్టరీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కమాండ్? గిట్ init, initialization will be done. Go to there, folder is ready. Now it is tracking Sunny jobs. Tomorrow in Sunny jobs I can add views, code kani something. Then Git will tell whatever changes are there, it will be displayed. After that, what to do? Git add, I can go with dot. Because folder, multiple folders files are there. Git add dot, added. After that, Git status, you can check it. These many files, everything will be there. Changes to be committed, no commit set. I'm not using any commit when manaku inside on the files. Now go with git. What is the command? Commit hyphen m. First commit. Any message you can give your wish. Now ఇదిగోండి, మాస్టర్ బ్రాంచ్ ఫస్ట్ కమిట్ డన్. నౌ git status, on branch nothing committed, working tree was clean. Control this one, L, clear the screen. So we commands. So git init, first అది కాదు కదా, cd my current working directory. Inside git init, git add dot, git commit hyphen m. First commit, you can ask git status. So now everything is ready. First one completed. Second one, this project I want to move to the where? GitHub. Go to GitHub. GitHub open చేయండి. In that create one repository. Present project is available here. Local repository is there. Here I want to go to GitHub is the central server. Okay. Open GitHub. So here already one project is there. Open this. Sunny jobs. I have to delete it. Delete this repository. I want to delete. Abbo. పాస్వర్డ్ అడుగుతుంది. Yes, it deleted successfully. Now, there is no repositories. Go to repositories, empty. ఇదిగోండి Mahesh Django 123 అంటే username I provided does not have any public repository set because already I deleted. So now I want to create the repository. Go to the GitHub, create one new repository. Any name you can use. My repository name is jobs_repo. Jobs_repository. Empty repository, some space I created into the server. So go to here, go to the main starting page, home. ఇదిగోండి create one repository. This is the username, owner, repository name jobs_repository. Make it as a public. Everyone can view this one. Private means you have to provide username, password, all things. If free project, you have to make it as a public. Create. Repository done. This is your address. HTTP GitHub mysdj jobsreport.git. Whatever comments we are using, these comments you can use. Push an existing repository from the command line. First, this command copy, paste into git bash. Second, third, the command already they can provide. So go to the git bash. Whatever commands are there, I will copy those commands. EV commands. Okay. So first command, this one. Copy, go to the bash, paste it. Extra things came. Git remote add origin HTTP mysdj jobs center repo. Last low. Yeah. Enter. If we are not getting any error, okay, done. Second command. Copy this, paste it. Okay, done. Third command. Copy, come here. So from the Git to GitHub, I can send my repository. Ippudu, yes, everything is okay, fine. Go to there, In the repositories, you can check it. Previously, empty repository is there. Click on jobs repo. ఇదిగోండి Sunny jobs project is came. All the files and everything will be there. ఇదిగోండి Sunny static files, jobs, templates, test app. Inside test app, models, test, models. Hyderabad jobs, all are available there. Once it is available here, from here to you can send pythonanywhere.com. That is the story. So Sunny jobs available. ఇది second story. How to send the GitHub. So first send it to the Git. From there to GitHub. Now pythonanywhere.com. That is the free set కాబట్టి I am using Python Anywhere. Heroku also same process. Go to pythonanywhere.com. So go to the pythonanywhere.com. In this pythonanywhere.com, already our project is there. We have to remove that project. Bash consoles, any console is there? Nothing. But project ఉంది కాబట్టి only one project we can upload. Remove that one. Already project is there. maheshproject.com python anywhere. So 8th November కి అయిపోద్ది. Delete that. Delete. So you have no web applications. Dashboard. Then consoles. Console, bash console is there. Remove all. Previous old ones remove. Files. ఉన్నాయా? Web. No webs. Tasks. Databases. Okay, fine. Come to the dashboard. First of all, if you go to the consoles, if you go to the new console, click on this bash console, because first we have to create a virtual environment. Here we have to create virtual environment. The reason is we are uploading to the cloud. In my machine, Python 3.10 is there, Python version. Maybe another machine 3.12 is there. Some people 3.13. I'm using Django 4, my machine. Some people are using 5. Some people are using Django 3 versions. So one common settings I can create into the virtual environment here in this one. This is the bash console. So my system, in your system, which is available there with the Django version, Python version, create one virtual environment. In that we have to run. So go to pythonanywhere.com. In the dashboard, go to the new console. Click on the bash console. You have to create a virtual environment. VNEV. Create one virtual environment. How to create MKVIR virtual ENV. In your machine, what is the Python version available? You have to check it your Python version. Now machine 3.10 is there. That's why I'm using Python version. Python 3.1. The name of the virtual environment is my project, my PROJ. I'm creating virtual environment with Python 3.10. The virtual environment is my project. Any name you can give your wish. My PROJ is name of the virtual environment. So copy this command. So now this command go to the this one. Present it is telling 1443 something dollar symbol. Paste your command. Now it will be changed your environment name with my PROJ. So now execute this command. Execute the command. It is taking some time creating. ఇదిగోండి. What is the environment name? My PROJ pointing to there. మీ మెషిన్లో అసలు which Django version is available there? How to check it? Go to the Python shell, import Django. Now Django dot underscore underscore version 4.1 is there in my machine. Install this one into in this virtual environment. You have to install. How to install the Django? Pip install -u Django 4.1 is there. I'm installing. So you have to check the version and you have to install it. Installing. So all the softwares are available, not available, you have to check it. Because if you want on the Django program, Django is required, Python is required, both installed. Next MySQL, that also I will install. It will take some time because virtual environment running now. So once it is done, check for Django version. Go to the command prompt. Go to Python shell. Import the Django. Django dot underscore underscore version. Then go to the virtual environment git. In that pip install 4.1. Dollar symbol means it is virtual environment. Still installing. Installed. Okay. Clear screen. So what is available? You can ask a pip list. It will be displayed whatever softwares are there virtual environment. Django available. SQL pairs typing wheel. So like that you have to install all the things. Pip list. If anything is not there, you have to install by using pip. Go to GitHub, copy your project URL address. Just now we uploaded now this one. దాని అడ్రస్ జాబ్స్ రేపు ఎక్కడుంది వేర్ కోడా నా లింక్ యా దిస్ వన్ దిస్ లింక్ వీ కెన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఎనఫ్ that is the our project link github.com isdj123 jobs_report.git. Sir, ఇది మన అడ్రస్ ఓకే. This address you can go to the virtual environment. Go to the virtual environment and command is git clone this address. Then it is coming to, if everything goes fine, it is added. Go to pythonanywhere.com. ఈ డాలర్ సింబల్ దగ్గర పేస్ట్ ఇట్ గిట్ క్లోన్ అవర్ అడ్రస్. Cloning is done, will be provided. You can ask ls list ఇదిగోండి readme.txt file jobs repo is there, cd jobs_repo, it is going to this one. అందులో ls సన్నీ జాబ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ముందు కదా సన్నీ ls అంటే లిస్ట్ లైనెక్స్ కమాండ్స్. ఇప్పుడు cd సన్నీ జాబ్స్ pwd, what is the meaning? ప్రజెంట్ వర్కింగ్ పాత్ డైరెక్టరీ. ఇది కావాలి మెయిన్ మనకి, దీనికోసం ఇప్పుడు అవన్నీ. సో నౌ వన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లోన్డ్ అబౌట్ ద లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ గో టు యువర్ cd jobs_repo. Inside you can ask list, go to change directory Sunny jobs. You can ask pwd. This is source code path. దాన్ని కాపీ చేయండి. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్, కాపీ ద హోమ్ మహేష్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ జాబ్స్ రెపో. ఇంకోండి పాత్ కేమ్ జాబ్స్ రెపోస్ అన్ని జాబ్స్. ఇప్పుడు in the total project is there, test.py is there, everything will be there. If you want to create table and data means, what is the command we can use? Py manage.py make migrations, because already total project is there in virtual environment. In that models is there but tables are not there. By using this command you can create the tables. Populate.py, manage.py. Mano regular whatever activities you are doing, same activities here you can do. py manage.py, make migrations. After that, migrate, create super user, run populate.py, insert dummy records, inserted directly. Regular mano local system we are doing. Now here, virtual environment we are performing. So now, once go to this list, inside you can execute. We are getting some error. What is the problem? I will tell. The problem is ఎందుకంటే in our project in the settings we are using MySQL database. Check this కావాలంటే py manage.py make migrations. Command not found. It's okay. The problem is sometimes py is not working, no problem. Use total command python manage.py make migrations. py is not working, use python, then no problem. Idugondi. The problem is did you install install చేయండి pip install ఏమడిగాడు MySQL client. అదే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయండి MySQL client. అది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుంటుంది కావాల్సిన సాఫ్ట్వేర్ని. installing, getting requirements, wheel for MySQL client, successfully installed. ఇప్పుడు run the command. What is the command? Python manage.py make migrations. No changes detected. The problem is ఇక్కడ we are connected with the go to the files, go to settings file, you will get clarity. Jobs repo, Sunny jobs, go to the settings. ఇదిగోండి సెట్టింగ్స్. ఈ సెట్టింగ్స్లో మనం ఎట్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ MySQL సెట్టింగ్స్ ఐ థింక్. ఇదిగోండి మరి వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్ ఇన్ వర్చువల్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ కదా. ఈ MySQL అవైలబుల్ నా సిస్టంలో లోకల్ సర్వర్ ఉంది. వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్ వర్చువల్. దీన్ని రిమూవ్ చేసి డిఫాల్ట్ SQL83 సెట్టింగ్స్ వేయండి దీనికి. ఫర్ దట్ గో టు ద ఎనీ వర్కింగ్ డైరెక్టరీ, స్టార్టింగ్ ఏదో ప్రాజెక్ట్లో go to this, go to the settings, SQLite3 settings you have to do. This is SQLite by default, so no problem. Copy. Ekkada virtual environment you can change. Ikkada instead of this, paste it. Now SQLite3 by default available, no problem. Django will take care about this. Save this. Saved. Come to the consoles. Current console, this is our console. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాం మనం. Ctrl+L starting clear the screen. Python manage.py make migrations. No changes detected. Migrate చేద్దాం. Applying all the changes, table will be created there. Available, not available, you have to create the super user. Then you can check it. Tables are available there. Up to here, this is the process. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఫైనల్గా హ్యావ్ టు గో విత్ వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ ట్యాబ్. వెబ్ ట్యాబ్లో యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ URL. నో యాప్స్. డేటాబేస్ ఇస్ దేర్, టేబుల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బీ దేర్. configure to the web, then project will come. So make migrations and migrate. After that, py. Sir, py workout avutledu kabatti you can use Python. Python manage.py migrate. After that, create super user. Python manage.py create super user. ఇక్కడంతా ఓన్లీ డెప్లాయ్మెంట్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ప్రాసెస్ ఓన్లీ. No coding, nothing. Only the steps you have to follow. Go to the web tab. Inka akkada do the configurations. Total project is ready. So now configure with web tab. కనిపిస్తుంది కదా స్క్రీన్. Yeah, in that just you have to change the SQLite3 settings. Sir, go to web tab. ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ add a new web application. Your web apps domain. Click on next. Django na web2y flask bottle manual configuration. Go with manual configuration. Python which version? 3.10. Select it. Go to the next. It is asking source path, virtual environment path. Those two paths you have to provide. మన ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఇది మహేష్ project.pythonanywhere.com. ఇట్ విల్ రన్ అంటిల్ February 4, 2025. కానీ ఇంకా సెట్టింగ్స్ ఏం చేయలేదు కాబట్టి ఏం రాదు. ఇంకా చాలా సినిమా ఉంది దీనికి. ఓపెన్ ఇన్ న్యూ ట్యాబ్. ఇంకోండి ఇది వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రింటెడ్ hello world. Ante by default in that hello world settings are there. That's why it's came. Remove this hello world setting, gives any job settings, WSGA settings. Then our project will come. So indulo first of all, enter the source path. What is the source path? In the column, idi source path. And you have to check this. It is checking, it is available, not available. Yes, available. Working directory, WSGA configurations. Enter path of virtual path. Virtual environment path is home Mahesh project /dot virtual environments. What is the virtual environment name? My PROJ. Check this. Is it valid? Invalid? Valid. So, this is a path, virtual path. Okay. Sir, once I'm in all this, come to here. Reload the project. Once it is reloading, you need to come to here, refresh. Hello world. The reason is in this starting we discuss one file WSGI file is going to web server gateway interface. In this by default setting is this one is going hello world. Hello world. Whatever message it is there, this is the default welcome page of pythonanywhere.com hosted web host. Find out more. అదే దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ ఇదిగోండి. దిస్ ఇస్ ద డిఫాల్ట్ వెల్కమ్ పేజ్. ఈ టోటల్ మొత్తాన్ని డిజేబుల్ చేయండి లేదా డిలీట్ చేయండి మీ ఇష్టం. యూ కెన్ డిజేబుల్ ఆర్ డిలీట్. దీన్ని సేవ్. ఇప్పుడు ఇది రాదు అక్కడికి. ఓకే, దెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ అవర్ ఓన్ సెట్టింగ్స్. ఇవ్వండి ఈ టోటల్ ఈ సెట్టింగ్స్ మార్చాలి ఇక్కడ. WSGA settings, these settings, Django settings we have to change. So we disabled still why it is coming means go to the web, reload, come here, refresh. Something went wrong. నాకు హలో వరల్డ్ అని ఇప్పుడు ఐ డిజేబుల్డ్ కదా. Small setting is there. Go to the web tab, click on add a new web application, then manual configuration, select the Python version, give the source path. This source path. Virtual environment path. The virtual environment path. Reload. Application. Final ga configure WSGA file. Then your site will come. Sir, 1-2 times you just practice it. If you are not getting it, no problem. Because in entry, no one can ask about deployment process. The reason is we are not providing any experience. So why they are asking? If you are working employee, 2 years, 3 years is there, then they can ask the process. Just to only knowledge purpose I am telling. So a WSGA file, whatever changes are there, a small changes required, go to the file. That's it is getting something went wrong. Go to this. In the web tab, open this WSGA file. This file. ఇక్కడ మన Django కావాల్సిన you can uncomment it. Come to the virtual env custom WSGA Django. Import OS, import sys. After that, path equal to home Mahesh projects. That one is there. That path you can mention. This is our path. Remove this. అసలు టోటల్ మొత్తాన్ని అన్కమెంట్ చేయండి. అయ్యో, ఫస్ట్ వన్ నాట్ సెలెక్టెడా. టోటల్ కోడ్ అన్కమెంట్ ఇట్. యా, సో పాత్లో యూ కెన్ గివ్ అవర్ పాత్, కరెంట్ వర్కింగ్ పాత్. హోమ్ మహేష్ జాబ్స్ ఇన్సైడ్. ఇఫ్ పాత్ నాట్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ సిస్టమ్ పాత్, sys dot path append of path, os dot change dir of the path. Next, environment settings. These environment settings, what we can provide that means in any file, WSGA file is there now. Open any project, you can open it. Check this. The os dot environment set to default value. ఇక్కడ ADV template బదులు Sunny jobs we can provide. Give this WSGA setting code. copy, go to there. ఇక్కడ after this one, come outside, set this. Project name you can change. The project name is Sunny Jobs. Import Django. Django dot setup is the function. Django.core get WH application. Okay. Save this. Once it is saved, go to the web tab, reload. Reload the application. Once reloaded, previously something went wrong came, refresh. Done. Simple. Disallowed host or we have to change that. Mahesh project python.com look allowed host you can provide, then it is allowed. Everything fine, successfully running. So config file we have to the WGA file code is this is the code. Django code we are changing settings. This code we have to mention there. అక్కడ కోడ్ ఉంటుంది ఆల్రెడీ వాటిని అన్కమెంట్ చేయండి అంతే. యూ నో నీడ్ రైట్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఇంపోర్ట్ వాయిస్ ఈస్ అన్కమెంటెడ్. పాత్ యువర్ పాత్. ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ దేర్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వేరియబుల్ వి ప్రొవైడెడ్. We will get an error. What is that error? Allowed host. So once we refresh, we are getting error, sir. This is the error. Disallowed host. వాడు అడుగుతున్నాడు కాబట్టి we have to provide the host. So what we can give in the allowed host, we can provided this one Mahesh project pythonanywhere.com. Copy this. Go to the virtual environment here. In this files low, in the files go to the settings, jobs, Sunny jobs. Again in this settings, allowed host. ఇదిగోండి allowed host లో you can use this one maheshproject.com anywhere. Save this. Saved. Go to the web tab. ఇప్పుడు ఈసారి ఏమంటాడు రీలోడ్. Come here. Came project. Hyderabad jobs. Am I getting jobs? Hyderabad jobs information, no jobs. What is the reason? Poplet.py you are not running, you are not inserted. Run the program, insert, then data will come. Where you have to run? In the consoles. Bash console ఉంది కదా, go to there because data is not inserted. Sunny jobs. Now ls even populate is there. Python. What is the file name? Populate.py. ఏమన్నాడు? Packer module is not there. Okay, pip install. ఏది లేకపోతే you have to install. Pip install packer. Installed. ఇప్పుడు run this python populate.py. Enter number of records 50. Records inserted successfully. Go to here, refresh. ఇదిగోండి jobs came. So now you can use this site address in mobile, laptop, anyone. Then the application will be opened. Online guys, you can check it. It will be provided site. Pune unte Pune. I'm not implemented కాబట్టి hash assembly is coming. Only Hyderabad implemented. నేను ఏ static files colors ఇవ్వలేదు, that's why it is not coming. If it is there, it will be displayed. అది deployment process. Their deployment. If data is not available, then you can install Packer module, run the populate.py, data is coming. The total process of deployment. So finally, Django completed successfully. One more thing is there, REST API. అది కూడా అయితే our course is completed. Then NumPy classes. Sorry, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we'll start REST API. Just in the database, you can go to the database settings, give SQLite 3. SQLite 3 you can change. That is enough.